This is the problem that has was the others, the people want the military school. Yeah, because militaries believe that they are disciplined compared to the other countries. We got it maybe because of Philippines education. There is the number two, yeah, number three, Japan is over much. They need that for resources. So, you know what to protect Manila? The first time Philippines got December 8th. Cooking steak, Christmas Day, that is what
Sa? Yan. Palasyo Gobernador.
When it comes to Japanese immigration, it's kind of hard for us to do it. 3.5 years, sir, but the crucial things for us, the death march approach in Bataan and the Manila. Have you heard of the death march? Ah! Yeah. So, just to summarize it, Japanese imperial soldiers forces approximately 70,000 prisoners of war who walk over 65 miles or 103 to 104 kilometers. And they forces prisoners of war from Baga